If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this New York fitted hat into this lovely rhinestone embellished fitted hat, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I'm going to be adding some rhinestones to this New York fitted hat. I'm going to use some E6000 glue and a wax pickup tool and these black oval shaped claw flower rhinestones. That's what you would type in if you want to find these like on Amazon or something like that. Now this New York fitted hat I noticed has been going pretty viral the last couple months, and I've seen many different variations of this New York fitted hat with these type of rhinestones. I've seen people do them with pearls, and I was like, okay, let me just get like a cute little red hat and add some black rhinestones just to try something a little bit different. I've seen people glue them on, but I've mainly seen some people sew the rhinestones on. I thought about trying to sew them on for a second, but I don't even think these are sewable. I think I would need a different type of rhinestone, so maybe I'll try something like that later. But E6000 works very good as a glue to put on fabric, so if you want to do it a quicker way, I think it's a great option. However, keep in mind these rhinestones are on the heavy side and you don't want to use too much glue, because if you do, they will begin to slide. Once they begin to slide, the glue will leave a stain on the hat. So in this video, you'll see me just kind of angling the hat. Like right here, I'm going to angle it a certain way so they can kind of dry at an angle and not like slide. So I'm really trying to be careful to just put a little bit of glue on the actual back of the rhinestone, not on the actual hat. I did something similar to this on a Bass Pro Shops hat. But when I added the glue to the actual hat, I felt like the rhinestones kind of slid more. So I can better gauge how much glue I'm putting on by adding it to the back of the stone. So this is a very simple DIY. And of course, you can get any hat you want. You don't have to get an NY fitted hat. For whatever reason, these hats have been pretty trendy over the years. But I just decided to get this hat because I just thought it was cute. I'm not really a hat person. I actually may just put this hat on my website. I'm still thinking about it, unless it's someone that I know that I think would like this hat. It's a size 7 3/4. So I'm just going to make sure I'm gently pressing on the rhinestone to make sure it stays really well. The problem is if you put too much glue, all that pressing, it'll ooze around the sides and you'll be able to see it, and you don't want that. So just kind of take your time adding less glue than giving it a nice firm press. When I got towards the back of the hat, I was like, okay, it feels like I need to put something in it. So I did try to ball up some plastic bags to try to give me like a mold under it. It didn't really work too well, but I would suggest if you have something like circular to put under your hat, maybe a mannequin head, a styrofoam head or something like that to kind of hold it in place, that would make it a little more helpful. Okay, so I'm just going to continue to space them out, just kind of sparingly throughout the hat. I didn't want to have too many, but I didn't want them to be too little either. But of course, if you decide to do something like this, you can add as many as you like, as many colors as you like, and then also as many sizes as you like. Okay, so I am starting to add rhinestones to the top bib of the hat. I have seen where people put some at the bottom bib of the hat. I don't think that I'm going to do that, but that's also a really cute option as well. And I'm just going to add probably 2 more to this hat and then I'll be finished. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this New York fitted cap with the rhinestones. And I think this looks really pretty. I don't think that I saw a red one, That's why I wanted to do red. I like how it's red and black, and I decided to use the black oval rhinestones. These do come in different shapes and sizes. As I said, you can find these on Amazon. I'm not sure they have this exact one on Amazon, but I have seen various colors and sizes on Amazon. I do have a kit that has the same exact black oval rhinestone in it. It's a rainbow colorful kit with the flower claw rhinestones on my website, myroyalradiance.com. I felt like on the side I probably could have added one more rhinestone, which I could do that later, just kind of looking at it, or I could just kind of leave it as is. Again, this was a very simple and quick DIY. Like I said, I'm not really much of a hat girl. Are you guys into hats? Let me know. What do you think about this? Would you do something like this? I even had ideas, since these hats are so trendy. That would be cute if someone turned it into maybe a hat wig, added a couple bundles in it. I don't know. I wouldn't. If I were to do a hat wig, I would definitely use like another like beanie cap type of hat, not this one. But I think that this is nice. I would definitely allow at least 24 hours for the rhinestones to fully dry before wearing. But thanks you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, or share it on Facebook, or send it to someone who may be interested in something like this. Hello to my new subscribers. Hello to all of my subscribers, and thank you all for watching this video. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com, and there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury inspired faux leather fabric, and when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. We also have these beautiful iron-on patches available, and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.